We were trying to figure out how many 15-cent stamps she bought. Clue 1 says she spent a total of $4.40. So that would be 0.15 times X, the number 15 cents, plus 0.29 times Y would give you $4.40. And I wish I had an easier way or faster way to solve this, but I don't have one. So I clear my fractions. The first thing you need to get out of your mind is, okay, we've got two variables and only one equation, so you can't solve it by substitution or elimination. You got to use some kind of other tricky method. So this is our equation now, and I see that 5 will go into 15 and 5 will go into 440, so I'm going to put those on the same side. So 29y equals 440 minus 15x, and y equal, well, let's leave it 29y. 29y equals, factor of 5 out, 5 will go into 44, that's going to be 88 minus 3x. And this is y equals 5 over 29, 88 minus 3x. So y is the number of stamps, so it's got to be a whole number. And you've got this fraction 5 over 29. I need for the 29 to cancel with this number here. And I just kind of eyeballed it. There's no way this expression, well, I guess it could take on 29. Yeah, it could. Let me see, 29 and 29 times 2. I'm going to try that. 29 2 is 58. So if you let x be 10, just eyeballing this is y equals 5 over 29. That's 88 minus 30. I know it's going to work. I'd stop now, but I want to make sure you understand. This is y equals 5 over 29, and that's times 58. So that goes in there twice. So you get y is 10, and you can plug that y value back in here and solve for x. So clue A works. What about B? Can it be B? She bought an equal number of 15-cent stamps and 29-cent stamps. That doesn't help us at all. Clue 2 doesn't work. Your answer is A.